Hello friends, welcome to Solid Edge Sheet Metals tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn our second command as Flange. For that, new, select sheet metal template, enter into ordered mode, home tab. To use Flange command, we need to create one tab. On this tab, we will use Flange. So start with tab, select plane, create one sketch, rectangle by center, dimension this approximately, this is 500 and 300, close sketch, enter thickness of part, so I will enter 5 mm and select direction, finish, cancel. Now this is tab 1 and now we will use Flange command on this. Click on Flange, select edge and distance of this flange. So this is distance. In this distance we have two options, one is inside dimension and one more option is outside dimension. So first we will see inside dimension and enter the dimension as 200 mm approximately, finish, cancel. Now we will measure the dimension of this flange. It will be 200 from this top face to this flange top face. So inspect, measure this top face to this top face, this will be 200 mm. Yeah, this is correct. Now we will take second option, click on Flange. Now we will take this side and select second option and enter distance as 200 mm, finish, cancel. Now measure this, measure. Now this will be 195 inner dimension and outer dimension will be 200 mm. That means bottom of this base tab. Yeah, this is 200. So this is the basic difference between this outside dimension and inside dimension in Flange command. So more options in this Flange as well. So click on Flange, select edge. Now we have three options here: primary, material inside, material outside and bend outside. So in first case we have material inside, that means our width is of 300 mm. So we will take this flange and measure the distance, inspect, measure. Now this will be 300 mm as per our base tab. This is 300 mm. Now we will take second option. For that, select this flange and take an edit definition. Select second option, material outside. Now this is material outside. Now we will measure for material outside. Measure, select this face and this face. So this will be 305. That means thickness is added into this length for material outside. Now we will see third option. For that, select this flange 3 and edit definition, take third option, bend outside and finish. Now we will measure this face and this face. Now this is 306. That means thickness plus bend radius is added in this total base tab. So this comes 306. These are the basic differences for this all three options. Flange, select edge and distance, finish, cancel. Now this inside radius is of 1 mm, which is by default radius. Now we want to change this radius. For that, select this flange, take first option, edit definition and select here flange options. Click on this flange options and this uncheck this, use default values, enter here updated value as 5 and keep this all options as it is. We will learn this in upcoming videos. Click OK and finish. Now we can see our inside radius is modified, and as per inside radius, outside radius is also modified. So 5 more options in this flange command. So flange, select edge, and first option is full width. Full width means the flange width is same as selected edge. So this is first option. Second option is centered. Now I will select this centered and give distance. So in this we can see this flange is symmetric about this z axis and only dimension to this width, not dimension from right side or left side. So this is centered. Now we will learn third option, flange, select edge, and third option is at end. That means if we selected this left side point, it will flange will come to the left side, and if we select a right side point, it will come to the right side. I will select this right side, so flange will come to this right side, and finish, cancel. This is third option. Now we will see fourth option, select edge, and fourth option is both ends. That means if we take this flange option and click OK, we can see it is dimension from left side and right side, but not dimension to this middle portion. This is as same as centered, but dimension style is different. We can see here in this dimension is for this width, and for this both end dimension is from both side. If we see, dimension is from both side. So this is fourth option. Now we will see last option as fifth. So select edge and from end. So this is end. Now this is same as our third option, from end. It has only dimension from one side. We can see this 50 mm. Now last option we have flange and select this edge. If I want to change the angle of this flange, so enter here angle as 135. Now angle of this flange will change from this horizontal, it is coming 135. So these are the options in flange command. Hope have you enjoyed this video. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.